To thread your Pfaff expression machine, first of all we need to wind the bobbin. Take a spool of thread, pop it on your machine with a spool retainer, and then we go to the first clip just here, and then we go around the bobbin case winding tension unit. It's important that you go above the metal ear just under the button, and we go around it in a clockwise direction. Then go into this clip just here, a second clip just here, and now we'll take our bobbin and thread up through the hole in the bobbin. You can now pop the bobbin onto the bobbin winder and push the bobbin winder across to the right to engage it. When you've wound enough thread, you can disengage the bobbin winder, and there's a neat little cutter just here to trim the thread off and release your bobbin. To insert the wound bobbin into your machine, you need to place the bobbin in so that when the thread is pulled, the bobbin will spin anti-clockwise. The second thing that you really need to look out for is this little tension entrance just here that we need to pull the thread into. So we'll place the bobbin into the machine, and placing your finger on the bobbin, pull the thread around so that it clips into the tension unit, up around the top of this little grey finger, and then we have a trimmer just at the bottom. If we pull the thread across, it will just trim it off and leave the machine in the position to sew. Then simply slide the slider over the top of the bobbin, and that's the bobbin loaded. To thread the top of your Pfaff expression, take the thread between your fingers and pull it into this first clip again. And now we go around this second clip. Now this is a clip that we used for the bobbin winding tension, but this time instead of going above, we go below the little ear that's sticking out. Make sure that the presser foot is in the up position, and then we can pull the thread down through the tension unit, back up to the left, and pull it into your take-up lever. When you go into your take-up lever, it's a good idea to hold the thread between your fingers so that you can pull it right in and make sure that it clicks fully into place. To thread the needle, pull your thread down and place it into this clip above the needle, and at this stage pull the thread through the machine and then lower the presser foot and check there's significantly more tension on the thread when the foot is down. Now we can pull our needle threader into position and place the thread across the front of it, and when we release, that will just pull a loop of thread through the eye of the needle for us.